So, hello guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I will show you how I do the needle method, since many of you have been asking me about this topic. But first of all, I want to say thank you to everybody that joined our Telegram group and had a meaningful discussion about Fordyce spots there. I have to admit that we came across some interesting discoveries, as many members shared previous experiences with different kinds of treatments and procedures, so please definitely go check that out on our Telegram group and also subscribe to this channel for more videos. Now let me show you how I do it. So first we're gonna need some basic injection needles. I suggest you that you try different sizes first, just to see which one works the best for you. And you should be able to easily get those in your local pharmacy store or just somewhere on the internet. Next thing that you need are tweezers. Again, I brought 2 of them just to try which one is better. And the last thing that you will need is some disinfection. In this case it's alcohol called Alpa, but you can get anything that has power to disinfect you. So here it's a closer look on my needles that I use, just to show you the difference in their shape and size. And also look at the tweezers that I use. By the way, I also have to sharpen them a little bit with the thing that I sharpen my kitchen knives with, just to be able to grip things better with those tweezers, you know. And before you do anything, please just make sure that you have everything cleaned up and disinfect all your instruments, just to prevent any infection, and you should be good to go. And now when you have everything clean, just apply hot water on your lips to make them softer, and if you want to be extra safe, you can disinfect your lips with alcohol as well. So here I was already trying to pinch my lips with needle and get under the spot, but I was struggling a lot, as you can see, because I only have some small spots left. But I will start doing my method more frequently now and keep you posted on my progress and show you that it's really possible to get rid of those spots. And once the blood starts to flow, I let it bleed for a minute, and then I take my tweezers and tear the outer layer of the lips with spot on it. But I was not sure if I did this spot correctly, so I tried the other one, on which I'm sure that I did a very good job with, because you will see the result afterwards, that I could see the spot itself on tweezers and later on the needle. And yeah, I still shoot this on my phone, so forgive me for the bad focus on the camera. So here, if you take a closer look, you can see the spot itself on the top of the needle, and yeah, you can see it's pretty tiny, just like a crumb. So yeah, thank you guys, this is all for this video. I hope it was helpful for you, and see you in the next one. Bye.